Hi, this is Josh Light with CupAd, and today we're going to be talking about the break-even analysis. This is the final video in our series. So what is break-even? Break-even is basically the point at which your total sales exceeds your total cost. Why is break-even important to know? Because you as an owner need to know when you're actually going to start making more money than you've actually put into the business. It's also important because investors are going to want to know what your break-even point is. So let's quickly look at the variables involved here. You have your total sales that's pulling from your income statement. Q1 means quarter 1, Q2 means quarter 2, etc. So this 0 is basically the total sales for quarter 1. Now your paid in equity right here, this is actually pulled from your monthly balance sheet right here, and your paid in equity. Paid in equity is basically how much money you had to put into this business to start it, whether you put $65,000 in yourself or an investor put $65,000 in. Total cost, this is your total fixed cost plus your total variable cost. And your payback is your paid in equity plus your total cost. So if we come here and look at this graph right here, you can see your quarters down here on the x-axis and your money up here on the y-axis. Your total sales is this red line, and this purple line is your total cost. And you see they intersect right here. This is telling you that you're going to break even in quarter 4, year 3. Now, you don't even hit the payback in this scenario. In order to hit the payback, you'd have to have this red line intersect with this blue line up here, and they don't intersect. So you'd actually have to either change something with your sales or your cost, or extend this out to year 4 or 5 to see when this intersects. Now, this is useful because if you make any changes to your income statement or your balance sheet, then that can affect some of these lines here. So let's go ahead and go to the parameter sheet real quick. And we're going to go up here, and right now this is telling you that you're selling each cup of coffee for $3 a piece. Now let's assume that you just increase that to $4 a piece. Now let's go ahead and see what this does to your break-even point. Now it's changed your break-even point. It's changed it dramatically, in fact. Now it's telling you that your break-even is at the beginning of quarter 2, year 3, instead of at the beginning of quarter 4. So you've essentially hit your break-even 6 months earlier, and you can see here that you're covering all your payback at about quarter 4, year 3. So that's just a quick demonstration of why break-evens analysis is important and making plans for yourself and also presenting to investors.